Hey guys, this is Justin from 1791, coming to you from SHOT Show 2025. And today I have not only a new product line to show you, but an entirely new brand from 1791 called 1791 Industries. What we're doing with 1791 Industries is rolling out a completely new line of hard goods ranging from AR-15 and AK accessories made out of a space-age new metal called Magnite. Now, up until this point, when someone is trying to make an ultralight rifle, or when someone thinks about an ultralight rifle, what one thinks of is excessive use of lightning cuts, basically just cutting through the metal in a way in which Eugene Stoner did not intend to cut into the metal, or excessive uses of polymers and carbon fibers to achieve a lightweight gun. What that creates is a commercial firearm that is in no way, shape, or form usable in a duty fashion. During World War II, the fighting weight of the M1 Garand was 9 pounds, and that was a full-size battle rifle chambered in 30-06, right? That was a full-power battle rifle cartridge. And then come Vietnam, we wanted to have a lighter weight firearm, so what was invented was called an intermediate range firearm, and that was the M16 service rifle with a 20-inch barrel. That weighed about 7 pounds. That made soldiers a lot happier shaving that weight off of the rifle. Then in the 80s and 90s, we got the CAR-15, which weighed about 6 pounds with a 16-inch barrel. So that's what everyone thinks about, like, oh, the AR-15 weighs 6 pounds. The fact of the matter is that's a lie, because when you add your optics, lights, and lasers to that firearm, your fighting weight for that rifle is now about 8 or 9 pounds. And we did that to increase soldier lethality, but we still are using that intermediate range cartridge. So that is where LiteRaider comes into play. So we have handguards, we have upper receivers, we have M-LOK grips, we have M-LOK rail accessories, we have charging handles, and what all that ends up doing by utilizing the stacking tolerances of using all of our LiteRaider products, or as many of our LiteRaider products as possible, I can take a rifle that used to weigh 8 or 9 pounds, and I can make it weigh 6 pounds. So this is basically a rebuild or a functional replica of like a Mark 18. Like what I carried in the Navy, I carried a Mark 18 Mod 0. I have iron sights on this. I have an optic on this. I have a flashlight on this. So this is fully set up for functional duty use. Let's go weigh it real quick. So 6 pounds and about 4 ounces. And again, that is in full fighting rifle configuration. The way that we're able to achieve that is a new material called Magnite. Our engineering partners in this program, they actually have contracts with DOD in a form of like Space Force and Air Force. They're actually using metals like this on the nose cone for reentry vehicles that come through the atmosphere. That is the type of abuse that this metal is designed to take. So, it's not a true magnesium. That's something that I'm very close to because, like, I was in the Navy. I remember stories of the USS Forrestal. This is a magnesium nanoparticle alloy. So each nanoparticle of the magnesium is surrounded by a ceramic, and what that ceramic does is it creates extremely high thermal resistance capabilities. When we were doing the destructive testing for this, we took our parts, so basically our Magnite receiver, our Magnite barrel nut, Magnite handguard, and we put it on a registered machine gun lower, and we just conducted series after series of destructive testing at full auto rates of fire to see if we can make it fail. In each instance, the AR-15 failed in the manner in which it was designed to fail. We had one do a barrel blowout, we melted a gas tube on another. On another, we actually had the gas block loosen up and walk off. We had one out of battery discharge that made a rifle fail. In no instance did we have one of our Magnite parts fail. In fact, the barrel blowout test that happened, the rifle got so hot that not just the gas tube was red hot, but the barrel itself was red hot, and the handguard was so hot that it started my lead sled on fire. And we were not able to destroy our parts. The rifle failed the way it was designed to fail. So that's what I mean by we're not making a commercial firearm here. Our intention is to make like duty grade firearms that are just lighter so that we can reduce the user's fatigue and increase their capabilities. and keep a fighting rifle inside the weight class it's intended to be. Is this like a fighting rifle setup should be about 6 or 7 pounds in my opinion. It should not weigh the same as an M1 Garand. So let me hang this back up. So real quick, we'll do some comparisons here. We have a little digital scale. So we'll start off with, let's do a barrel nut. So this is a steel barrel nut from the competition in the market. 1.56, so 1 pound or 1.6 ounces, 1.5 ounces. Here's our Magnite barrel nut, 0.7 ounces. How about an ultralight ring? 1.5 or 1.5 ounces. Our ultralight ring, 1.2 ounces. Charging handle, 1.3 ounces. Our charging handle, which says ambidextrous oversized grab handles, less than 1 ounce, 0.9 ounces. So that's what we mean by we can make the rifle lighter by utilizing stacking tolerances of our LiteRaider product line. We can have an ultralight fighting rifle. Over here we have handguards. So both of them are 15-inch handguards, 10.2 ounces. And then 6.1 ounces. This one's actually a cut top rail. We have cut top rails and we have full length top rails, and the top rail on the 15-inch handguard, it adds like 0.4 ounces. It's pretty minimal. So anyways, that is our Magnite product line. Again, we have AR-15 accessories ranging from handguards, receivers, Picatinny rails, M-LOK hand stops, charging handles. We're doing magazine extensions as well. We're also doing an AK handguard as well. And all of this stuff will be available come the March timeframe. We're doing a soft launch here at SHOT Show and a hard launch in March. So thanks for watching, guys.